Hey, welcome back to Lupo Outdoors, and we have another hunt vault for the month of December. Now, I actually have the bonus item hidden here, so you have to wait till the end to get the information. So let's start off. One of the things that's in here is wing tacks. Now, these are really cool. It gives you a large surface area. And what they are is for marking trails. There's about 25 in here. They're rock solid, really sharp points going to trees. I like it. One of the other items that we got is this tape. It's 2 inches by 10 feet. Now this is not reflective, so it's not shiny, and you can put it on your bows and your rifles to help camouflage the shiny parts. One of the other things that we got is 25 feet of this like paracord. It comes with a nice little handle for winding. You got your clip here, and this cord will hold 50 pounds. Now, they always include some type of a food item, and this time was no difference. It's kind of neat. I've already opened up and tried this. This mixes with your water. And the flavor happens to be pineapple, which was actually awesome. It tastes really good. So it's a powdered drink mix, right? For hydration. Now, I have a 40 ounce cup with the lid and the straw on it. And this is perfect for that. It's not overly strong and it's not too weak. It just kind of worked perfectly for that. And I was pretty happy with it. Kind of sad that I'm running out. Now, one of the other items we got is I got these 2 targets here. There's 2 of them in this, and they look like a mule deer. They're 23 by 35 inches. This is very cool. When you want to practice, this is your target right here. Now, let's move on to our bonus item. This for the month of December, was actually really cool. When it showed up, I was surprised. We got a Vortex Crossfire HD scope. It's 12 by 36 by 50. And here is what it looks like. Very smooth. I actually took it out and took a look at it. And the clarity is overwhelming. So, every once in a while they give us a really nice item. This was that month. Thank you for watching. This is Rob Lupo from Lupo Outdoors, and we'll see you next month. But we do have a giveaway. Unfortunately, this is not part of the giveaway this month. We have to use this for an upcoming video, and this is already open, so forget that. But if there's any item in here, aside from those 2 items, that you would like to have, you know the rules. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you leave a comment down below. And reach out to us with your address, your name and address, to our Facebook account on Lupo Outdoors. And then at the end of this month, or the next time we get another hunt vault, I will pick a random person and we'll send you your item. We'll see you next month, or actually it'll be this month because it's January. We'll see you this month when Hunt Vault comes out again. Thank you for watching.